Poimapper is an advanced and customizable tool for data collection and reporting, with supplier audits being one of the main application areas. VDA 6.3 process audits is a key standard for supplier audits in the automotive industry. However, it often relies on complex Excel sheets that can be replaced with Poimapper. Still unsure about switching? Let's hear from one of our happy clients.
So yeah, one of the things really that frustrated myself and many of my peers over the last few years regarding the VDA 6.3 process audit was the huge Excel spreadsheet for these audits that had to be used. We had one person pretty much full time just maneuvering through all the Excel sheets, make sure everything is accurate and ready to be used. Then you obviously had a limited automation and insights because it was just like a single Excel file, a result page where you had to also type in your findings and the main insights from the audit. Really challenging and time consuming when you really want to focus on the actual audit. The real-time collaboration was also missing. You had the action plan outside of the Excel sheet to be exported and then shared with the supplier, but it was really lots of email ping pong that had to be done afterward to close out open items and to finalize the action plan. With all the frustration conducting VDA audits globally in the US and Europe, China, I came across Poimapper solution, which really spoke to me as a very user-friendly solution that we were able to plug in right away. It has a good automation of repetitive tasks, so lots of help with uploaded questionnaire, drop-down fields, and then the enhanced collaboration and cloud accessibility. You can give access to different shared stakeholders to the actual audit within Poimapper with the cloud access. And then the action plan can be worked on from the supplier, but you can also invite a co-auditor or other involved parties within your organization to actively work within the audit file. All in all, it really what it boils down to, it saves a lot of time, reduces the frustration, and helps streamlining the processes.
Let's go to the Poimapper portal to see a demo. Let's examine an existing VDA 6.3 audit. The input form is completed first, where you specify details like the product group and process steps. The system adapts dynamically based on the product groups and steps. Data can be displayed in table format or as subforms. Subforms are useful for more complex questions. The auditor can easily access reports, edit results, and view automatically generated action plans. Customizations that are not part of standard VDA 6.3 audits, such as an online status field, can be added to track supplier actions. This allows suppliers to indicate the status of their actions, not planned, ongoing, done, and auditors can approve them. To share the audit, click the Share button, enter the prompted details, and then Send. This will create a temporary user account for the supplier, which will be active until the expiration date. Suppliers receive the shared information and can view and edit tables, but not the questions they are not allowed to view or edit. They can edit their information and update action plans, which triggers a notification to the auditor for each change made. For visualizations, users can also create custom charts. The dashboard provides an overview, allowing comparison of supplier performance, filtered by criteria like industry. Trends in supplier performance can be tracked over time. Suppliers can also be compared using radar charts. Finally, the progress of action statuses can be reviewed. Thank you for watching. Contact us at support@poimapper.com for more information.